Dice yam into pieces and put on fire. Take out the yam pieces from the pot. I am also cooking jollof rice alongside to save time. Add everything, salt, seasoning, and mix together until well combined. Coat each yam ball in egg before frying. Put the coated yam balls in already heated oil. Flip to fry the other side. Always so delicious and never boring to kids. Rice and stew with boiled egg, pineapple, cucumber, and French toast. Stir-fried vegetable spaghetti with fish, enjoyed with ginger, pineapple, lime, refreshing juice. Fried rice, coconut chips, and golden yam. Stir-fried vegetable rice, chicken roll, and oranges. Moi moi eggs, I forgot to include it. Orange-flavored iced tea, chicken roll, and orange. Turmeric rice, goat meat stew, chicken roll, and sesame bars. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.